Hey, Dylan from Clearbridge here, and today we're going to talk about Gmail, and more specifically, how you can use your Gmail better and more efficiently in under 3 minutes. You ready? Let's get started. Now, Gmail is a Google product, and what is Google first and foremost? A search engine. So it only makes sense that Gmail's search functionality is extremely powerful and really useful, and that's why we recommend the archive and search strategy when you're using Gmail. When you're finished with an email, instead of deleting it entirely or stashing it in a folder, just archive it. Archiving doesn't delete your email, but instead puts it in your all mail folder. Now when you need to find the email, all you have to do is go to your search bar and type in the name of the person who sent it to you, or maybe the subject line, and you'll come up with your email right away. If you wanted to search for the sender, all you have to do is type in their name. And there's the email. If you want to restore the email to your inbox, all you have to do is click Move to Inbox. Okay, number 2, Conversation View. Now, Gmail's default view for email conversations or email chains is what's called Conversation View. So if you and a client are going back and forth in an email, Conversation View helps by automatically keeping all of the conversation together. It does this based on the subject line. You'll only see a single email in your inbox instead of a new one for every single reply, which is really helpful in keeping your inbox clutter-free. This eliminates the need for searching for various email threads, and you can use the search function in your Gmail app to find the email at a later date if needed. As your conversation continues, you're able to expand and collapse various points of your email. Now, the conversation view places the latest reply at the very bottom of the conversation chain. Okay, number 3 is the reading pane. Now, if you've used Outlook in the past, you'll be familiar with Outlook's setup where you have your inbox and a reading pane. You can do this for Gmail, and it's really easy to set up. You just need to go to your settings to configure it. I'll show you on my screen here what it looks like. So the first thing you want to do to configure your reading pane is just go to your settings. You go to Inbox, and you'll want to go to this reading pane section here. Make sure that box Enable Reading Pane is checked, and then you can click No Split to start, and then Save Changes. Now you should see this icon right here, and this is your toggle split pane mode view. So if you click that, now you'll see this conversation pane open up, and if I click on an email, it has that reading pane open on the right side here for me, so I can see my emails as they come in. Okay, last but not least, use the Gmail app. Gmail has an app that you can use for your phone, works on iOS and on Android. Use the Gmail app and not the built-in app that comes with your mobile device. The built-in function will work at a basic level, but it won't have the access to Gmail's powerful search functionalities and other features that you'd find on the Gmail app. Okay, that is 4 quick ways that you can use Gmail to be more efficient and more organized in your email inbox. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions at all or any comments, please let us know. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you again next time.